This is the L23 UC Tri-Toon by Barletta, available for sale here at Skipper Bud's Lake Fenton Marina. Gorgeous 23-foot boat. Actually, those are your tubes. Your overall deck length is about 24.5, so you've got some extra room up here on the playpen. Really strong, heavy duty, really overbuilt pontoon, you could say, using dual I-beam construction and these patented vibration isolation pads underneath the boat. Really eliminates water and vibration, water noise and vibration throughout the boat. Industry exclusive, that is patented. We'll move back here to the Ultra Lounge, a very unique lounger. So you've got your forward-facing seats, but you can see it's convertible. You can have some rear-facing seats, or you can lay those down. And a really neat thing you can do is you can pull this back so you have a rear lounger, or you can lay it down into a bed. You could put this seat down, and then you could lift these seats up and have a forward-facing lounger as well. Built-in ice cooler right in there, ice chest. This specific boat here is powered by a 250 horse Mercury Verado V8. Got some cup holders and a center fill gas station, kind of nice. You're never going to get confused at the pump. Unique helm, really pretty, flush mounted. Simrad system, and your Hertz Marine audio system is flush mounted as well. You do have a wireless charger built in. If your case will allow it, it will charge you wirelessly. Pretty cool stuff. Got a glove box built in here, angled and drained right out, so it'll always stay dry for you. You got your fuses there. And a food and water bowl built in for the pets. Obviously, if you don't have any, a little bit of wallet or key storage there for you. Built-in trash can. Your Chase Lounge on these has armrests, which is great, a really nice addition. But overall, really high-end, high-quality fit and finish on these boats. Big ski tow lockers. And they actually do anchor storage as well on these boats now. So you lift that up and you got anchor storage built right in. Doggy dock view. So you do have a transparent door for your dogs to hang out and check out the sights without getting out of the pontoon. We'll go take a quick look at the outside of the boat. So you can see how that doggy dock view works right there. But this one is a blue sapphire and black diamond accent color. Gorgeous pontoon. Really one of the best looking pontoons out there. Then we'll show you underneath here. All Tri-Toons come with fully sheeted aluminum underbellies and a really heavy duty build underneath there. Designed for big water, can take on just about any wave you throw at it. So come on in, check out the Barletta L23 UC Tri-Toon, available for sale here at Skipper Bud's Lake Fenton Marina.